Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at Lego Cities set 60394. It's an ATV and Otter habitat. There are 90 pieces in this set, and this is a build episode, folks. We're going to build this set with stop motion, and you can see that you get a little ranger there, and you get some animals in this set, and then the back of it looks like so. So we're going to build this today, and then we will talk about it in another episode. So thanks for watching, and stay collecting. Hi, thanks for watching that last video. If you're not a subscriber and you're thinking about it, doesn't cost you anything, how about you hit that subscribe, that blue little button on the left side. And if you want to watch the next one, how about you watch that next video up there? You know, it's not going to bite. Go ahead and watch it. Come on, you know you want to.